of Wight would like to draw your attention to this important safety announcement and to the passenger emergency instructions displayed around the ship. During the crossing, you're not allowed to go back to the car decks. For safety reasons, you must stay in the lounges or on the outside decks. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not allowed, even on the outside decks. Please supervise your children while you're on board, and for security reasons, please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. Emergencies happen very rarely, but you need to know our safety procedures. If there is an emergency, you will hear 7 or more short blasts, followed by 1 long blast,
Let's catch Karen.
whistle, or alarm bells. If you hear the signal, you must go immediately to the nearest assembly station. You can find the assembly stations at the front and rear of the passenger lounge